Power Grid, Coal India, Axis, Adani Enterprises and HDFC Bank have got to be the strongest names today. Other than that, of course, there's ONGC as well, which held out well. Cipla, Max Healthcare, these are the names which led leadership within the entire healthcare and pharma pack from within the large caps. And of course, many other names like we've been highlighting and flagging off through the show that are looking good from within the mid and the small caps. The good thing is that the breadth of the market is nicely opened up today. But of course, you know, the question is, Kunal, how much do you read into today's recovery and whether it looks meaningful enough to sustain itself tomorrow?
Well, it does look meaningful enough to sustain purely because of the candlestick formation today. So, of course, on the market breadth front, it's disappointed. But on the candlestick front, it's been a fantastic candlestick. It's a classic bullish engulfing pattern today, what you're seeing on the Nifty. And I think the last time we'd seen this kind of a pattern was almost like 3 months or 4 months back. And that led to almost like a 500 to 700 point up move on the Nifty itself, just by the sheer magnitude of this candlestick pattern. So that's why I would believe that it's a very significant pattern which has been formed today. At least the low of the index today, which has been formed, 25,380, 90 thereabouts, I think should be termed as a very strong support. And unless that support is broken, we may expect that the index could go into a steady recovery phase.
Well, okay, after that very tumultuous last week, finally some recovery and some semblance coming in back for equity markets. 97 points higher for the Nifty futures, 25,600 got back. PSU Bank, the Nifty hit a record high for itself. Nifty Realty made a solid comeback. Nifty Bank, led by HDFC Bank and Axis, made pretty good. The Nifty Private Bank Index as well. Nifty Pharma contributed quite a fair bit, as did Nifty Healthcare. Still languishing though for Nifty Auto. Saw a little bit of an ebbing off. Nifty IT as well did not do a whole lot. And then, of course, Nifty Media was a rank underperformer today. The capital market plays, of course, got hard hit. There was Angel One and BSE, which were the key drags today. On the flip side, though, Torrent Pharma, RVNL, GMR Airport, IREDA and Power Grid were some of the other infra plays which held out very smartly. In fact, infrastructure, I would say, as an index contributor, has done pretty well today. From the Adani names to a GMR Airport, all of these names have done very well. Of course, the question really remains, how sustainable does it look? Kunal does think it is. But again, you know, it's not an across-the-board move today. Even if you look at just the private banking piece, it was HDFC Bank, it was Axis, but not ICICI Bank. Within technology, of course, most of the stocks languished today. Pharma, of course, held out well. Asian Paints, Bharti, HDFC Life, Bajaj Finance, SBI did okay. Reliance managed to perk up a little bit. L&T was quiet today, and BEL also just about marginally higher. But can Reliance pull a lot more weight tomorrow? Can M&M as well jump back in the green along with ICICI Bank? And can we see some recovery come in on IT names across the board? That remains to be seen.
And, at least some of the sectors, they've recovered over 1% from the day's low. I can't reiterate that enough. The Nifty gain from the low was 1.2%. The Nifty IT gained 1.6% from the day.